In this lesson, we're going to talk about the gallery. So this is going to be the first thing that you see when you open up the Procreate app. This is essentially your homepage where you can see all of your artworks, your templates, the things you've created, and a couple options to import and export. So to start off, you can create a new project with this plus sign. And here you can see the canvas templates that I've created. We can jump into that in just a minute. But from here, you can press New Canvas and set up your canvas however you like. Here you have options for dimensions, color profile, time-lapse settings, and canvas properties. Here you can do something like change the default background color for a specific template, and so on. Here you can name your template. I'll name it template 1, and you can go ahead and set it up how you like. Typically, you want to keep at 300 dpi, and maybe we want this canvas to be 1920 by 1080. This will be your typical 16 by 9 canvas, and we'll press Create. Boom. Simple as that, we've created a new canvas. Once that canvas is created, it's going to show up in our gallery as the most recent project right here at the top. But you don't have to keep things in this order. You can tap and hold on any project and move it around and place it between two other projects. In a similar fashion, you can grab a project and hold it over another project until it turns blue and release. This will create a stack. This is Procreate's way of making folders. Inside the stack, you can now put multiple projects in here, and you can even rename the stack by tapping right on the name. We can call this templates, and from here we'll know exactly what's inside our templates. Here you can see I have a stack down here where I've kept all of my 8-bit icons that I've created. This is a perfect opportunity for you to create separate folders, label them, organize your projects so things don't end up a mess. Because as someone who's used Procreate for many years, I can tell you it gets messy really fast, and it can kind of get out of hand. So lately I've been trying to do better and creating more stacks to keep track of my different types of projects. If you want to remove something out of a stack, just open it up, tap on it. I like to do a little swirl just so I know that I have it selected, and just use your other hand and press back. That way you can release and stick that project wherever you want. When you're done with a project, if you don't like it, if it's time for it to go, if you accidentally duplicated it or something, you can swipe it to the left and choose delete. Just be known that there is no undo for this type of delete. Once you delete, it's gone forever. So, as a note, you can swipe it to the left, duplicate a project if you want to make a backup copy of it, or even press share to save the project as a backup, or even export as a PNG, JPEG, PDF right here from the gallery screen. Now, most of the time, you'll probably be exporting directly from the project itself. You're working on a project, you can come up here and go ahead and export it from there. But it is to be known that you can do this from the gallery, and you can even press the select button, select multiple projects, and share them all at once. There also is an option right here to choose stack, and what stack will do is basically make a folder out of whatever you have selected. Another option is preview. Preview will open up a slideshow of sorts, so you can simply swipe through those slides and see exactly what you have selected. Another way to create an instant slideshow like this is to kind of pinch your fingers together, place it on the canvas, and flick it open. This way it'll open up a preview of that project. And since we don't have any other projects selected, it's going to make a slideshow out of everything. So we can go through and slide through all of our projects and start to see what we have created here. If you come across an animation in your projects, it'll actually play the animation in the preview, which is really cool. This is an easy way that you can make some sort of slideshow or presentation just inside Procreate. You wouldn't even need to export these files. The next options that you'd want to explore inside the gallery would be import, which lets you import all sorts of things, whether it's an image or a video or a project file, you can just do that right here from the import section. Likewise, if you wanted to import something from your photo library, you would press photo instead of import. This will give you your actual gallery of photos on your device rather than sending you into the Files app where you have different types of files stored. From here, you can just select any of your photos and it's going to automatically create a new project, and inside that project will be the correct dimensions of the image that you've imported. That's pretty much all you're going to need to know inside the gallery. In a further lesson, we'll dive deeper into Canvas templates, and I'll even give you all of the information so you can create these templates in your own Procreate, because I find that these are the most useful templates for me. It depends on what you're going to be doing inside Procreate, but that is coming up soon. So in the next lesson, we're going to talk about brushes and the brush engine inside Procreate. See you in the next one.